Okay, they are open every day at 8 to 9 in the evening. And if you want to stay outside because you want to smoke while drinking your imported beer or very nice wine, you can stay here. Okay, smoke and drink. And that's gonna be the inside.
What is it?
Lots of wines here. Wine. Another area. Place. So you can see a lot of wines. Here are beers. And this one here is for private room. We stayed here last December during my wife's birthday. Yeah, they have this. If you are family and there's a lot of you here, then you can stay here. And you can park your car under this box hotel over there. So this is gonna be the outside view of this very nice restaurant, Quincy Jones.